Encountering the load library failed with error 1114 inches in Windows 11? Here are 2 quick fixes. These steps can help resolve the issue and ensure smoother performance. Press Windows key plus R. To open up the advanced graphics settings, paste this in the Run window. Hit Enter. Control.exe power cfg.cpl. 3 in the Power Options window, search for the Switchable Dynamic Graphics. Click on to expand it. Then, click on Global Settings. Then, click on the drop-down for the option On Battery. And plugged in both and set it to Maximize Performance. Do the same with the plugged-in settings. Finally, click on Apply and then on OK. You have to right-click on the Windows icon on your screen. Then click on Run. Write devmgmt.msc and then click on OK. When the device manager opens up on your computer, you need to expand the display adapters. You have to right-click on your graphics adapter and then click on Update Driver. In the next step, just click on Search automatically for drivers. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.